What is integrity? Work on yourself. Not that you said A today. You know this thing is white. You are calling it black. Let people know that your yes is your yes, your no is your no. Just always put yourself down for people to match at. Where you know you want to say the truth, you are there, blabbling, saying what you know is not right. That is not integrity. You have to do integrity, have integrity. Don't go and take what does not belong to you. Always say the right thing at the right time. Once they call you to judge, please let them know you have integrity, that you will never be bought. Don't let them buy your integrity. Always stand for the right way. Always stand for the truth. Always stand for the humanity. Don't sell your integrity just because of some coins. Your level of integrity have to be high. Make it important that whenever people talk about it, they say that person have integrity. Not people that will give a silly change to, that will disrespect themselves. I rest my case. I remember Hobo said, Gotina Udugweme, the preacher of love.